Hello, welcome to the Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off bounce keys function in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option and how to turn it off. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility options menu, and in here we have our interaction and dexterity. When we scroll all the way down, we have bounce keys right here. As you can see, this option is now turned on. By default, if we turn it on, we have 0.5 seconds. Of course, we can change it if we need to, but to simply turn it off, we need to tap this option, and now it's off. No need to save. The setting will be remembered by our phone. We can safely go back to our home screen. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.